morning, Gondas fam.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's day 4 in Goa, and yesterday we couldn't cover much because most of the time went in bungee jumping. Now we are heading to Chapora Fort, or else we'll head to Sweetwater Lake, right?
Sweetwater Lake.
Yeah, so we'll hit the road now. See you there. So here we are. आम्ही पोहोचलो चापोरा फोर्टला. So हे steps नव्हते म्हणे. Recently they have made it. There are some 120 steps. And the name of the fort is actually Chapora, but later it got again renamed as Chapora. Here we made it. This is Chapora Fort. Yeah, and this is how it looks from the entry of the fort. That's the Chapora Lake over there. Let's go inside. And right now we are here sitting. Photo घेत आहे इथे बसून. इथपर्यंत आलोय. इतनी गर्मी में you sweat like hell, bro. Give you a look around how it looks. So Anku, what do you have to say regarding the fort?
There's hell lot of scorching heat.
Yeah.
Because there's ocean on that side, ocean sea
Yeah.
on that side, and it's too sunny here. And we have come at the wrong time.
Why so? What do you feel?
I think the sunset would be fine. So come around 5 o'clock, 5:30. It would be pretty awesome to look at sunset from here.
नानावडी सारखं दिसतंय. If Belgaum guys are watching this video,
नानावडी का?
नानावडी मध्ये पण असंच आहे जरा starting. That also looks just like this. So from outside it's Chapora Fort, but when you get inside it's Nanawadi.
Let's wrap up from here and now move out to Sweetwater Lake.
Sweetwater Lake, yeah. Now we'll head up towards the Arambol Sweetwater Lake. मी आता Arambol Beach ला पोहोचलोय. Anku is worried about getting tanned.
I have already got tanned. I've stopped worrying.
No need to worry and all. झालं एकदम काळे कुट्ट. It's okay. Lake is on that side. Right after that blue building, there's a path you have to go from. There you will get the Sweetwater Lake. So right now we are walking to the beach. चलो we'll head off to the Sweetwater Lake. कुठे आहे बघू. चलो, what are you doing? शी तुझंच काम ते.
माझं काम कसं
म्हणजे गाईज, जर तुम्ही इथे आला अरंबोल बीचवर, डू कम हिअर, डोंट मिस दिस. दिस इज ब्युटिफुल. लुक ॲट हर. Did you see? It's really lovely. I also tried this stuff. We took so many pictures and photos over here. Do come, don't miss this. If you come to Arambol beach and if you don't come here and enjoy this moment, bro, काय फायदा नाही तुमचा. इतका फायदा नाही. The boat says Sweet Lake is here. Oh my god, it's filled with rocks. Anku, don't slip. अगं हळू जा गं माकड. That's the path you need to walk. इकडनं चालत यायला लागते. जरा थोडे दगड आहे, but it's not that slippery or risky. So after a long walk, parking the bike, here we are. This is Arambol beach and here I am, Sweetwater Lake. So cute.
So here we are after a long walk from the Arambol beach
Yeah.
at the Sweetwater Lake.
वाटत नाही की on the other end इथं beach आहे म्हणून. And here if you check out, it's the lake. It's completely opposite. Like if there you can have a good time at the beach and here you can have a chill time at the beach. Actually खूप tired झालो यार. बस झालं मला तर चालून मला माहिती नाही
Yeah, it was a long walk, but it's worth it is what I feel.
चलो, let's have a sweet time. Catch you later guys. Go. Chilling, huh?
It's so nice here, it feels good.
We sat here almost for 3 hours. I just left all. It was so peaceful. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Again, someone is parasailing.
The view.
What?
What is beautiful, me or the view?
If I be genuinely be true, this is so peaceful, and you are so beautiful.
Pagal.
Yeah. So we will wrap up from here. Almost 3 hours here, laying down and resting and chilling. Actually we thought of 1 hour, but 3 तास कसं गेले समजलं पण नाही. आम्ही चालतो आता बीच साईडला. It's already 5:30 to 6 now. Sunset होईल आता. So we'll go and check out. See you there. We'll move out.
This is the wrap for the Goa trip. So this was a final day, and today we had been to Kasla Fort?
Chapora.
Chapora Fort, and then we had gone to the Sweetwater Lake. So Chapora Fort was not much, it was exhausting, and Sweetwater Lake was nice. It was nice, sweet, relaxing. झाला adjust करून? So that's the final day wrap up, and we have arrived at a staycation for the last day.
So this is it. This will be our final day over here.
This break was much needed,
Yeah.
so it was nice and sweet.
Same here, guys. This break was much needed. A mental peace. Not a mental peace, a soulful peace with my girl. All I would say. After all the bhagadori, after all the corona stuff, it was just काय बोलायचं?
Relaxing, amazing.
Relaxing, amazing, and so peaceful. That's all I can say. This was our stay, and this will be our last day. This is our home for 5 days. This was our home for 4 days. 4 days. See, I forgot even how many days we were here. So much peaceful it was. So we will head out to our hometown, that is Belgaum, tomorrow. So until then, keep smiling.
Take care and be happy.
Yeah, and be happy. Yeah, that's the most thing you need. Bye bye. Peace out.
असं ना तुझं पीस आउट असं असतं.
Oh shit. Bye bye. Bye bye. Peace out.